Hello, hello. Good morning. This is my day 2 in Llandudno, and it's the morning time. I'm going for a breakfast. And there are a couple of things I need to sort out today. That is what I'm supposed to do today. So I will let you know. Let's carry on for the breakfast for now. Yeah, breakfast was really nice. They had many options and also customized the British breakfast for myself, as I don't eat eggs and bacon or non-vegetarian. So she made the vegetarian sausages for me, which was very nice. Alright guys, so there is a change in the plan. Actually, earlier I also wanted to go to Holyhead, but now I am thinking to cancel my booking over there and just stay in Llandudno, because I wanted to do some cycling here, which I couldn't do it yesterday, and doesn't look like I will be able to do today as well, because the only bike rental shop that is here, that is closed on Tuesdays. So I need to wait for tomorrow, and also I think today weather is gonna be a bit rainy, so I will be doing something else but not cycling today, and then I will keep the cycling for tomorrow and the coming days. So I think I can go over to this side, as well as the next day I can go into this direction. The other thing I need to do is to change my hotel, so I need to book another hotel here, because the hotel I'm staying in at the moment is full, so they can't extend my booking, so I need to find another hotel. So that's the other thing I need to do. So today's plan is to try out the tram. So there is a tramway called Great Orme Tramway. It is supposed to take me somewhere on the top of the summit. I don't know exactly what is there or what is not, but I think I should just give it a try, and that's what I'm gonna do. Just walking towards the station from where it is supposed to go. Here I am at the Great Orme Tramway. So let's see if I get a chance to sit in a tram. Here is how much I need to pay. Whether it is 9.5 or 8.5 based on high season or low season, I'm not sure if I am in a high season or low season at the moment, but nevertheless, let's try out. Here the tram is coming while I am taking my ticket. Thank you very much. Coming very slowly. Stop. Got the ticket. It was for 8.50. It's off season, this means. Time to get into the tram. Need to put on a mask. We are in Wales. We don't have as much liberty as England. Good morning. Does it go reverse now? I think it will go to office. There are no windows as such. No open windows, I must say. We got a seat, and that's where I will be recording from. So yeah, join me on a great Orme Tram to the summit. Let's see how the summit looks like. Here we go. Say hi to him. Another one comes. But there was only one track. There are two. It's the only place they can cross each other because where they started there was only one track. It's a beautiful view. The halfway station. We need to change for another tram.